Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
It's been almost a year since the Guam Education Board began efforts to retain new legal counsel. And on Monday night, Chairwoman Lourdes Nicholas announced the board has finally retained new representation, the law offices of Gumatautau and Pole.
The Guam Education Board received the approval of Mr. Gumatauto's contract by both the Attorney General and the Governor's Office. He is on a contract on a fiscal year basis. So he's there to provide all the legal services and support, whether it's reviewing policies or whatever legal issues that we may want for the legal counsel to look into.
Having access to independent counsel facilitates greater separation between the board and the Department of Education. This is essential considering the ongoing investigations into both sexual misconduct and extortion involving both DOE and GEB.
The Guam Education Board last night voted to enlist the support of our current legal counsel to conduct the internal investigation.
So GEB won't be going to other government agencies?
Not at this time.
While concurrent investigations are conducted by GEB local and federal authorities, GEB has instructed Superintendent John Fernandez not to communicate with any GDOE employees or students, particularly deputy superintendents, legal counsel, and other department leadership. Communication involving the investigations, agency operations, or policies are prohibited. Board member Maria Gutierrez expressed concern that this gag order may be going too far.
I feel that there should be a discussion, a concurrence, or approval of the board members with that before that memo was issued.
A similar memo was also sent out to DOE leadership. Acting Superintendent Joe Sanchez said it's standard practice.
In the case of the superintendent, of course, it becomes a lot more difficult because his scope is much wider, in terms of the department.
Sanchez clarified that directives such as these focus on communication relative to the investigations and not personal interactions. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.